So this is the Barrina Plant Stand with growing lights. Has 4 different shelves of layer. Comes with about 6 3 feet growing light. And it stands about 59 inch to 35 across. Don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free. And after I finish this product, if you're interested, check in the link in the description. I'll leave all the details, including a discount code just for you guys. So this thing comes with 6 3 feet grow lights, 180 watt T8. Each of the shelves hold about 90 pounds each. So that's a lot of pounds. So the whole thing hold about 360 pounds. And it's really, as I watch some video, doing a lot of research behind it, it's easy to put together. It's very simple. Everything is just screwing on and all that. So let me get everything out. And this is how it's going to look right here. Always make sure, watch my video first or check the guide out, the manual, to make sure you're doing everything right. So it's right here, Barrina's T8 LED light right here. So this is amazing. It's just like the sunlight, and you could see everything, how it's hooked up on the wire in one plug to plug in and control all that. So we got some chains, we got clamps to hold these on the pole. We got some wheels, and it comes with a timer switch for the plug. You could set it. Looks like some Velcro right here. And these are all the pole, easy screw on. These are the shelf rack. Really nice material. And that's the liner that goes underneath, I guess, for water. And right in this box we have all the lights. You could see these lights look really well made. All right, so let me step back to show you guys. So all what I'm doing is just screwing on, which is very easy. And these 2 clamps, you squeeze them together like that, and then you put the shelves in. So it's literally easy. All right, so finish this up. Looks amazing. And what I did is I just hang the lights up for now. The good thing about this, you have the chain, and you could just guide this anywhere you want. You can move it. This can move right, left, wherever. And then the good thing what I like about it, comes with this 2 cover piece, shaded piece, so the light doesn't go all over. It just focuses directly on the plant. And comes with a little Velcro stuff that you could strap all your wires, and it looks more neat. But I'm not gonna strap everything yet until I bring in my plant and figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. So the good thing, it has wheels, so you can move it wherever you want. And then it has a switch right here that so you could press the switch on or off. Then it comes with a timer. You could set the timer so it goes on automatically. So the good thing about this, you could adjust the shelf whichever height you want. On I'm gonna put some like peppers and tomatoes on the lower rack that's a little higher, and then we could do a bunch of different plants here. And then up here, I still leave it a little big open. I see most of the picture they have it more high up, but I don't want to put it too high, because then I feel like besides seeding, I could grow plants, and I could grow all, 1, 2, 3, I could grow it all. And then on the top here, you could either hang another light, so you could use this top one, or you could use it as storage to put all your extra containers and seed and whatever stuff up there. So it comes with all this zip tie and all that stuff if we want to hang it up on the ceiling or hang it up close up to the top, so we don't need it to hang on the chain anymore. We could literally put it this flat. So you could see right here, it does come with this liner thing here to capture the water, any soil, dust. So I'm not doing water, any water plants here. It's all going to be soil. Now realize that I'm going to lift the bottom up a little bit more higher, so I could grow at least tomatoes, peppers, and stuff on the bottom. Then I could grow some lettuce and pak choi at the bottom, at the middle. And then on the top, we could do all the seeding, all your seedlings on the top. And what I'm going to do, not just seedlings, I'm going to pull up the chain a little higher as the plant growing, and then still grow some smaller plants on the top, making use of it. All right, so right here, you could see I brought in a couple plants, well, 3 plants. I had this tomato in already, and here we have Swiss chard. This was in my greenhouse. And basil and cilantro right here. I'm gonna separate them, and what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna move them maybe on this rack right here. Put a couple stuff here, and whatever lettuce and stuff I'm gonna bring in here, or even seed. I'm gonna be seeding. I'm gonna be going through my seed and see what kind of small plants I have to put in here. But you can see how bright it is and how nice and neat everything looks. And eventually I'm going to be using this right here, the Velcro, the Velcro strap, to strap all the wires, make it look more nice and neat. And my dog approved this. check in the link in the description for more price and details on this, and I will leave a discount code so you guys want to get your hand on this. You don't have to pay full price. And this is amazing for indoor garden because coming down right now in Long Island, New York, we're getting into deep fall weathers in the low 40s. And most of the plants will be coming down to the end outside. So I do have some of the plants in the greenhouse, but I'm going to make sure I have to go through the soil and empty out the soil, put back new soil, spray them out with some neem oil or either soap and water. Make sure if I bring in any plants in here, I do not want to bring in any bugs and stuff like that. And I will start seeding coming up very soon here, and I'm going to show you guys step by step, from seeding, how it's growing, from pruning to end up harvest using this right here. So this is going to be producing all winter, even summer. You could garden all year long with this right here, and with the timer you get to save money. And I gotta tell you, it's sturdy, it's not cheesy, got good reviews. So and the price was not bad. Some of them are in the thousands and stuff. This was under 200 bucks. It was not bad at all. I did really good. As you guys know, I shop smart. I get stuff that makes sense and gonna benefit us in the garden world, inside, outside. And especially if you don't have an outdoor space, this is perfect. Fits anywhere in your home and can't go wrong. All right, so thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and check in the description box. I'll see you guys soon.